Hi, my name is Navjot and in this video I'll review the bare basics of Stata. So let's begin here. Stata interface. This is the Stata interface when you open it for the first time without any data set. The window on the bottom is called command window and is where you type in your commands in Stata. Then it shows the results of the command in the larger window directly above it. Then your command is added to the list on the left in the window called review, where you can keep track and recall any command you have used. The window on the upper right is called variables, and here it lists all your variables in your dataset. Lastly, the properties window is on your bottom right. It just displays the properties of your variable and dataset. There are other windows that are useful too, namely the data editor, the do file editor, and the variables manager. The data editor can be found under the Windows tab. It can also be found on the icon or you can open it by typing the command edit in the command box. This is where your database is contained and you can view and manipulate your data from here. The do file editor is another important window in Stata. You can find it also under the Windows tab, or you can open it by using the toolbar. This is where you can store your commands of interest for future reference, annotate your commands, and even run all these commands at once without retyping anything. Lastly, the variables manager window can be found under the Windows tab at the very end. This is where you can edit your variables by hand. However, I prefer editing my variables using commands as it can be faster at times. Lastly, these two icons on the end will appear red or green. The break icon, you can use the break icon to stop the execution of a do file, and the clear button to continue with the execution of a do file. These icons will turn green or red depending on your execution of your do file. Fortunately, Stata has many open source dataset for students to download and explore. To download a dataset from Stata, you must be connected to the internet. First, if you have internet on your computer, now you might type this command sys use life expectancy. This will immediately open the dataset called life expectancy into your own Stata. You can see that our command sys use life immediately got listed in the review window, while the variables of the life expectancy data populated in the variables window. Also, when we type edit now in our command box, you can view the raw data and see what data point exists. For each country, here you can scroll up and down. Notice the different colors of the data points. We have blue, red, and black text. The black text means that these are numeric data with real number text, that is red. Black text means it is numeric data. Red text, like the country names, means that the data has letters and characters, something called string data. Lastly, the blue color over here is interesting. Europe and Central Asia, that what it says in text, but when you click on it, it says 1. If you scroll down to North America, it says 2. And to South America, it says 3. This is a special case where there are labels that at its heart, the variable region has a numeric data 1, 2 or 3. But you can put a label on top of numbers to represent something else. On the other hand, the number itself, other nice feature in Stata is called filter bar. It is also known as your search term bar or your variable search bar. So when you go to the variable window, there is an icon which looks like a funnel over here, and click it once. You you can type in the search term, type the word annual, and it shows the growth, population growth. Because the word annual is in the label of the variable. This concludes the Stata introduction tutorial.